Hello, this is Jason with Dell Technologies, and today I would like to show you how to collect a software-defined data center log report using the Dell ProSupport Global Support Engineer Toolbox. So, SDDC for short, and to search for it, we're going to put Dell ProSupport GSE in the search field and press enter. And this first result with the GitHub Dell ProSupport GSE / tools. And this report will just collect everything from your environment, from all nodes of your cluster. And it can also automatically upload it to your case with Dell. And it just streamlines the whole process of getting logs from your environment. So we want to scroll down to this toolbox, and this is the command that we're going to run in PowerShell. And the toolbox contains all of our various different tools that we use for troubleshooting, and in this case we're going to be using Log Collector. So let's run PowerShell as admin. Click on the Start button, start typing PowerShell, and it usually comes up to the top. Right click, choose Run as Administrator. Yes on the user account control. And here's our window. So we will just click this button here, which will copy this whole command. And then in our PowerShell window, right click, and that will paste it in there. And hit enter. And we're going to be using Log Collector, which is option 5. Hit enter. And it will ask if you want to consent to providing environment information, such as host names and IP addresses, to improve customer experience. There's no customer identifiable information in here. It's just anonymized data that we use to improve our tools. So you can choose yes or no there. And we'll skip that for now. But for this, if you have a case number open with Dell already, you can enter the case number here. And then at the end of collecting all the logs, it'll automatically upload those logs and attach it to your case with Dell. So that just makes it a lot easier, so you don't have to upload it on your own. But we'll skip that for now. And here we want option 1, which is SDDC. You can see it in parentheses there. And here it's asking for a case number again. We're going to skip that for now by just hitting enter. And then it will start to run. So it'll run on the current node, and you do want to be running this from one of the nodes of your cluster. So right now I'm running it on a node of my cluster, and it will go out and contact all other nodes of the cluster and collect reports from that as well. And it does take approximately 20 minutes for the full report to run. And I've already run it here before, so we could just scroll through here and show you some of the stuff that it gathers. So here on this, I got an access denied on an SMB file share. That's no problem. If you see anything in red in there, just don't worry about it. It'll go on and it'll collect what it can. And like I said, it does take about 20 minutes for it to run through and run on every node, and then it gathers all of the information into one zip file. And it collects driver information. All the information about virtual machines. Here's the driver versions. And then let me show you where it puts it. So there's two locations. So one is in C program data del. This will have some information on, like, if you do get errors and it won't run, you could go in here and go into log collector, and there'll be a report here that will show exactly what we're seeing in the PowerShell window. So, if this is not running, we may ask you to collect this log collector log to send us to see if we can figure out what's wrong. And then at the end, it will create a zip file in this folder under C users and then your username, and it'll create a zip right here, and it'll also create this clue check report, which is the cluster check. And here's a little sample of what that looks like. So if we go all the way back up to the top, it has a little summary, and you can see where there's some issues with the configuration. And if you click on any one of these, it'll take you to that section. So like right here, we see that node 1 is not configured. It should be false. All the other nodes are false, but node 1 is true. So this just helps quickly identify some configuration issues that could be causing problems in your environment. And that's pretty much it. In your environment, you would just want to, if you supply a case number, it'll upload it to the case, and that's really all you have to do. But if not, then you'll go to C users and then your username that you're currently logged in as, and there'll be a zip file here when it's done, and you could just upload that zip file via FTP or any other methods that your support engineer has provided you to send logs to them. So I hope this helped you, and that's all we have for now. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.